Amism ideology rejecting politics of past. Part 2. According to Amism ideology, politics of the past, or the politics of the past ideologists of 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th centuries are bondages on 21st century people. Actually meaningless overfocus were put into those intellectuals. They were actually not failures in ideas, but they were able to view world and humans in terms of divided realities. Of course, splitting things and viewing things in specific divided terms bring about institutional specialization and growth. But it caused greater harm and bondages to humans and nations. First of all, it created an inequalities of justice arrangements in all fields between nations and humans. This multi-bipolar arrangements is the trouble bondages of humans. World was actually autopilotly arranged, and intellectually superior humans, rather than developing energy balanced equalities, tried to develop split ideas of various kinds that got emerged from all nook and corners of the world. Ideas camouflaged sometimes appeared as conservative fears, anarchist bondages, Marxist liberations, productive public administrations. People of third world countries, because of lack of creative human political stabilization ideologies, took the scaffoldings from Western intellectual supremacy and relied on fear politics of masses when things don't work out. Totalitarians, Nazists and fascists focused on shifting attention of common populations and thereby promoting their family hierarchies. That means anything that divides the population of world, humans, whether it's ideas or intellectual subvocalizations, these are actually destructive. That's why Amism rejects all ideologies of past. This is like throwing dust on the eyes of ordinary people. Society will only have destructive progresses rather than constructive permanent long-run growths. Finally, this past intellectual viewpoints will create fear and conflicts among individuals and nations. Huge disparities of economic, social, political, psychological, environmental, of past constructs enables Amism ideology to erase those stagnant ideas of intellectuals and creation of the new normalcy.